If you're tired of losing customers due to long shipping times and low quality products from AliExpress, this video is for you. Imagine transforming your business with reliable suppliers that offer 3 to 7 day shipping times and lower costs, all while boosting your customer satisfaction. Today, I'm gonna reveal the best AliExpress alternatives that can help you scale your business without these common issues. I'll even share with you the private supplier that I personally use on all of my own stores. So let's ditch AliExpress altogether and see how these suppliers can elevate your dropshipping business and keep your customers coming back for more. My name's Alex. If you're new, let's get right into it. You might have heard of additional suppliers in the dropshipping space like Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, or USA Drop, all of which are an upgrade from AliExpress. But there's actually a new private supplier that I use for all of my own stores that we'll be going over in just a moment, and it's called FulFillman. FulFillman orders all of your products in bulk, stores them in their own warehouses, and quality checks every item you send out. They can even add your logo to your products and create custom thank you cards and flyers to be sent out in all of your orders. This way you can build a real brand feel and keep your customers coming back again and again. Not only that, they assign you your own dedicated account manager that keeps you updated throughout this entire process. Because in business, transparency is more important than anything else. And if you want to make real money with dropshipping, you have to treat it like a real business, because it is one. Making even the smallest wrong move in business can wipe out your entire business and put you in debt. So let's talk about the most common issues and how to avoid them. Let's start with the first major issue. When you're dealing with AliExpress suppliers, more often than not, you're dealing with low quality products and long shipping times. These lead to angry customers and countless refunds or chargebacks. Let's be honest, consumers are more comfortable than ever buying products online in 2024, but you have to meet their expectations. You can't send out packages that take over a month to arrive, and all of your products must be as advertised. Otherwise, your emails will be flooded with customer service requests and your business will take a hit, whether that's poor reviews or losing a ton of money. And everybody gets into dropshipping for the same reason, and that's to make money, whether you want to make an extra income on the side or do this full time. And in order to make money, you have to do things right. And that involves only working with high quality suppliers that can get your orders to your customers in under a week and only send out high quality items. You also have higher costs when you're working with AliExpress suppliers. AliExpress seems like a low cost site, but the reality is that AliExpress suppliers are actually middlemen. They source your products from manufacturers like Alibaba, charge you more, and keep all of the profit. Private suppliers will get you lower costs, store your products for you, ensure that everything is high quality, only charging you a small fee in this process. Like I already mentioned, the supplier that I work with will even assign you your own dedicated account manager to keep you up to date throughout this entire process and send you samples of every product you sell so that you can make sure it's up to your standards and high quality. You don't want higher costs to eat into your margins and lose you money. Otherwise, you'll fall short to your competition. Another major supplier issue is bad communication. Bad communication with suppliers can be a nightmare. You need to be aware of any issues that arise, whether it's stock shortages or shipment delays. Unreliable suppliers might not keep up with your orders, send fake tracking numbers, or fail to inform you of problems, leading to angry customers and a damaged reputation. Lost sales are another consequence of working with unreliable suppliers. A bad brand reputation can drive your customers straight to your competitors. And let's not forget about the potential legal issues from non-compliance with regulations from sending out poor quality products. In other words, if you're running a fraudulent business, you can get sued. Now that you know the importance of choosing the right supplier, let's talk about your options and how to get started with a more reliable supplier. Now, like I already mentioned, FulFillman is the private supplier that I use for all of my own stores. They integrate directly with Shopify, so they can go through and fulfill your orders as they start to come in and let you know when problems arise. They make it super easy to get started, so all you have to do is focus on product research, running ads, and everything else to do with your business. They really take away the headache of fulfilling your orders. Now, like I mentioned, FulFillman is very easy to get started with. I'll leave a link for you down below in case you want to check them out. Simply click on that link, it'll take you to this page right here, and you're gonna select get a free quote. Once you do that, you'll fill out a little more information about your brand and the products you sell, and they'll get back to you right away. FulFillman by far has the lowest cost and fastest shipping out of any supplier I've ever worked with. Just to show you what I mean, let's go over a few recent tracking numbers from one of my own stores. All of these tracking numbers are from June for a dropshipping store that I run in the fitness and health niche. I primarily use TikTok and Facebook ads to sell my products to various different countries. Our 4 biggest markets are the US, the UK, Spain, and Germany. And you guys can see right here that I have between 4 and 7 day shipping to all of these countries. That way I keep my customers happy and coming back for more. Like I already mentioned, the dropshipping process with FulFillman is pretty simple and straightforward. You sell your products, they'll source everything for you, purchase them in bulk and store them in their own warehouses. They quality check every item you send so you can ensure that you're only sending out high quality products. They'll ship your products to your customers as your orders start to come in, and they'll keep you updated throughout this entire process with your own dedicated account manager. But they offer many additional services to help you build a strong brand. You guys can see right here that you can create custom flyers to be sent out, custom packaging, you can put your logo on stickers to be sent out, and so much more. You can finally stop using stock images from AliExpress that all of your competition's already using, because they also offer product photography. You can send them your products and they'll shoot custom product photography for everything you sell. You guys can see some examples of their previous work down here. So it doesn't get any better than fast shipping, the lowest cost out of any other supplier, the branding, the product photography, the dedicated account manager, and everything FulFillman has to offer. Like I already mentioned, I'll leave a link for you down below in case you want to check them out yourselves. Just click that link and get a free quote. After using FulFillman on my own businesses, I'll never go back to AliExpress. And for good reason. If you're ready to leave behind the headaches of long shipping times, high cost, and low quality products, I hope you found these alternative suppliers to be helpful. By switching to more reliable suppliers, you can transform your business, increase your customer satisfaction, and scale without the usual frustrations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new tips and strategies to grow your dropshipping business. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with any of these suppliers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.